قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله.
Muhammad from the Philippines.
What lessons and books should a beginner start in learning and gaining Islamic knowledge by reading and also watching series? And also, Sheikh, can you tell what lecture series of yours should a beginner start watching in order to gain Islamic knowledge? Barakallahu fikum, Sheikh.
Wa fikum barakallah. Muhammad from the Philippines, what should a beginner learn? He should learn about Aqidah, he should learn about fiqh, so that his forms of prayer and worship are according to the Sunnah. He should purify his Aqidah and knows exactly what are the 6 pillars of Islam and of Iman and the beliefs of the Muslims. He should learn an amount of Quran and memorize them, and that knows the tafsir and so on. But this would take a lot of time. What would you advise if someone were to learn from your YouTube channel? I have a number of series. Number 1, the Islamic faith, which is an intro to the Islamic Aqidah. And there is the 3 principal fundamentals of Sheikh Imam Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab, which is also beautiful. There is the Islamic fiqh, which is a concise summary of the whole fiqh. And then there is an expanded series of Umdat al-hakeem. That would be a handful if you engage with it, inshallah.